From Supreme Court's rap to the Mamata Banerjee government on the rape and murder of the trainee doctor at RG Kaur Medical College, to unprecedented protests over the minor's sexual abuse case in Maharashtra's Badlapur, here are today's top stories of the day. Hi, I'm Charulata Biswas and you're watching the Indian Express. Let's get started. The Supreme Court pulled up the West Bengal government over the rape and murder of a woman doctor at RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, questioned the role of the state police and the former principal of the institution, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and put in place a 9-member panel to recommend solutions to issues related to the safety and well-being of medical professionals. Here are the details of what the Supreme Court said.
A 3-judge bench presided by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, expressed deep concern over the horrific rape and murder of the trainee doctor in Kolkata's RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital. In an order, the bench stated that it will be constituting a 9-member task force to work out modalities for safety at workspace for doctors. Now let's dive into details of what the bench actually said about the case. First, the bench questioned the timing of the FIR. It noted that the autopsy was conducted between 1:45 p.m. to 4 p.m. The body was handed for cremation at 8:30 p.m. and the FIR was filed 3 hours after that is 11:45 p.m. The bench said, and I quote, autopsy revealed that the doctor was murdered and the FIR was registered at 11:45 p.m. What were the authorities at the hospital doing? The CJI then also pointed out that after the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, tried to pass this off as a suicide and parents were not allowed to see the body. Solicitor General added here that, and I quote, we are dealing with a young doctor's rape by a sexual pervert but also had an animal-like instinct. I don't want to make this a political issue, but 3 hours of the parents waiting. Supreme Court also noted that Kolkata trainee doctor rape and murder is horrific, added that the bench is deeply concerned that the name of the victim has been published all over the media. Next, talking about the vandalism incident that occurred at the RG Kaur, the CJI lashed out at the West Bengal state government led by Mamata Banerjee and Kolkata police. The CJI said, and I quote, a serious offence has taken place. The crime scene is a hospital. What are they doing, allowing vandalists to enter the hospital? He also questioned the appointment of the former principal Sandeep Ghosh to another college hours after he resigned from RG Kaur. CJI also questioned the state of West Bengal over the attempt to pass off the rape and murder of the doctor as a suicide. Talking about the vandalism further, the bench questioned what was the police doing when the mob entered the hospital. The Supreme Court also noted, and I quote, let us not make this a political issue and I request state of West Bengal to not be in a denial mode. This was a complete failure of law and order across the state. CJI directed the state of West Bengal to not unleash their power on protesters. Talking about the protesters, the CJI also said that it is important to handle the protesters, including doctors, students, with care. He said, and I quote, it is a time for national catharsis of the country. Further, the bench requested the doctors to resume work and ensure that the safety of medical professionals is of utmost importance. The court has asked the West Bengal government and CBI to file a status report on 22nd August 2024. The matter has also been listed for 22nd August 2024. Now, to brief you a little bit, a 31-year-old postgraduate doctor was allegedly raped and murdered inside the seminar hall of the hospital on August 9, sparking national outrage. Sanjay Roy, a civic volunteer, was arrested in the case.
Protests erupted in Badlapur, Maharashtra today over the alleged sexual assault of 2 4-year-old children in a school. Train services remained disrupted and shops were closed. 3 cops, senior police inspector, assistant sub-inspector and head constable have been suspended. Here's what happened. Chants of hang him echoed at the Badlapur railway station as angry protesters demanded justice for 2 minor girls who were allegedly sexually assaulted. Trains were halted as protesters swarmed and blocked the tracks at Badlapur railway station situated in Thane, Maharashtra on 20th August. People not ready to give up even as police appealed to them to not carry out the protests. So why are the people protesting in Badlapur? Two 4-year-old school children were allegedly sexually abused by a cleaning staff member on August 12th and 13th in the washroom of their school. The accused was hired by the school on a contractual basis. The citizens and parents of the school children have been alleging delay in responding to the crime from the police's side.
देर हुई थी, मतलब 13 से 16 तक का ये इंसिडेंस है और 18 को इसका एफआईआर उनके जो पालक है उन्होंने किया था। तो इसमें भी 12 घंटे का जो गैप हुआ था, वो 12 घंटे उसके बारे में वहाँ के जो पीआई है उनको भी ट्रांसफ़र किया गया है। लेकिन मैं अपने ऑनरेबल डिप्टी सीएम साहब के विनती करूँगा कि इसको भी निलंबित किया जाए, उस पुलिस ऑफिसर को भी।
What action has been taken against the accused? A senior police officer said that a stringent criminal case has been registered, and within 4 hours of the case registration, the accused was arrested. The court granted police custody of the accused. A thorough investigation is being carried out. A senior inspector of the police station concerned himself is investigating the matter, and 2 experienced women police officers have been assisting him. Senior officers are also overseeing the investigation to ensure a watertight case is prepared with maximum pieces of evidence. The Central Railway said local trains were stopped at the Badlapur railway station. Officials said that from 10:10 am, the train movement is held up at the Badlapur railway station due to protest over non-railway issues. CR officials said train operations in both directions had been completely stopped and 5 express trains had been diverted via the Karjat Panvel route toward Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. As part of the protest, shops and other establishments in the Badlapur region remained closed on Tuesday. The school where the alleged incident took place was also forced to close. Local political leaders also joined the protest, and the supporters also turned up for the agitation. Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde has promised speedy investigation and emphasized the need for institutions to conduct thorough background checks when hiring staff.
इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा ये प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए। इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
जैसे ऑफिस में हम लोग विशाखा समिति बना रहे, वैसे ही विशाखा समिति बनाने का जीआर मैं आज ही निकाल रहा हूँ, ताकि जो बड़े बच्चे हो, जो 9वीं में है, 10 में है, वो लड़कियां इसमें भाग ले सके और ये छोटे बच्चों का प्रोटेक्शन कर सके।
In a surprising move, the central government has asked the Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) to cancel its advertisement for filling 45 posts through lateral entry following a political uproar. Reacting to the government's decision to cancel the advertisement, Rahul Gandhi wrote on X, quote-unquote, "We will thwart conspiracies like BJP's lateral entry at any cost. I'm saying it again, by breaking the 50% reservation limit, we will ensure social justice on the basis of caste count. Jai Hind." Congress leader Rahul Gandhi visited Rai Bareli on Tuesday to meet the family of a 22-year-old Dalit man who was shot dead in the Salon area earlier this month. Here's what he said.
परिवार से बात की, माता जी से बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि छोटा बेटा बाल काटता है, 6-7 बार युवा आए उसके पास और उन्होंने उससे बाल कटवाए और पैसे नहीं दिए। आखिरी बार पैसे नहीं दिए तो लड़के ने कहा कि देखिए, आज आप मेरे को पैसे दे दीजिए, और उसके बाद उसकी हत्या, उसके भाई की हत्या की गई। तो क्लियर कट अन्याय हुआ है, परिवार के खिलाफ, समाज के खिलाफ अन्याय हुआ है, और इसको रेक्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा। मतलब ये चॉइस नहीं है, इनको रेक्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा।
Speaking about Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's aggressive speech during the Lok Sabha's budget session, Union Minister Jayant Chaudhary said that his aggressive body language does not sit right with the Rahul Gandhi he knows. He was speaking at the Indian Express's Idea Exchange. Take a look.
Looking at that body, aggressive, body posturing, even when he's sitting in Lok Sabha, doesn't sit right with the Rahul Gandhi I know. He spoke about Chakravyuh, so he's using the tonality and he's couching what he wants to say in idiom and language, which is well known and which has reach in the grassroots. There's no doubting that. But pandering to a religious idea was never part of the Congress, mainframe. So I mean, I know he believes in spirituality. My conversations with him, and I have a relationship with him that has gone back at least 2 decades or even more. So I've seen him at close quarters. He's a spiritual person, and he has complete right to his views. Congress is the one comfortable party that everyone is comfortable with. Every election I get people who wear, suits, young people coming to me with laptops and saying, "Sir, politics हम बताते हैं आपको कैसे होगा। सर हमने स्टडी किया, सारे चुनाव स्टडी किए हैं, हम बता देंगे डेटा।"
That's all for today, but leaving you with visuals from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, where a 10-year-old was spotted managing the traffic by singing songs. He is the new Indian traffic soldier.